Hey, Mike Healy here, one of the co-founders of BidPoint, and thank you so much for stopping by. What I'm going to do in this brief video is give you just kind of an overview of the next steps. So if you saw some information, you found it's on the web somewhere, or wherever we might have this, you were probably interested in the residual income aspect of what we have to offer. Now, all our company really does is we connect business clients with our vendors, businesses, whatever size, mom and pops to large industrial, complexes, factories and things like that. That's the kind of stuff we can do. We connect them with these vendors that basically help reduce costs and stuff like that, because most businesses are being dramatically overcharged and they have no idea that they are, because in most cases they're trying to grow their companies. They're not just looking at for this. So we found this niche 8 years ago. We found that this was a market that something that we could capitalize on from myself and my partners, the businesses that we've done in the past. We thought this is the perfect model for us to go after, and we've been doing this very, very successfully. So let me just show you a couple things real quick on the website, and I'll give you some call to action about what we can do next to help you get started. First off, if you just want to look at our website, it's bidpoint.co, bidpoint.co. You're on the Start Here page if you're watching this, but this is our home page. The welcome BidPoint. You can see we got the commercial energy program, wireless cost reduction. We do have a residential solar as well as some commercial waste services as well. You can look around at some of the blog posts we've got on here. I do have an older presentation on here, a little bit about the energy deregulation aspect, but you'll probably get the idea. And then we have the energy and so on. A little bit about us. Like I said, we're 8 years old, almost 9 years old now, and we've got a handful of gentlemen that have been doing this very successfully. Business partner Rick, myself, Joe Mitiga, Monty Bertrand, Hutch Hodson, and Jim Sharon. All these guys have years and years of experience in their spaces and so on. So what I need you to do is simply this, okay? So as you're at the Start Here page, there's a button you're going to see right below this that is the click here to set up your discovery call. Now let me explain what a discovery call is going to be for you. The discovery call is you actually are going to do a little Zoom call with Rick Moore, my business partner, who you're absolutely going to love. Fantastic guy. He's been doing this type of thing for many, many years and helping people very, very well to become very successful in this space. Okay. What you're going to do is he's going to then walk you through, kind of talk to you a little bit about what your market is, where you are, what your relationships potentially are, and then he's going to probably suggest the different services immediately that you're going to have the easiest possibility of closing those deals quicker. Okay. Now, how it all works is really we charge nothing for you to be an advisor. I think that's real important, is we don't charge you to be an advisor. We're just looking to grow our company, and we figured this was a great way to market because of our past experiences of what we figured out with word of mouth, that we're looking for just more people that can refer these services to people and basically help people stop getting overcharged all the time. And literally the majority of businesses are being overcharged. In a lot of cases, we've seen it pretty substantially overcharged. So they love us. The other thing too is, if you bring us a potential client, and this is because we've got people that have been getting paid from something they did 8 years ago when we launched the company. If the renewal date comes up and we close that deal again, you're getting paid on it. You're getting paid on it. I mean, we want to reward you for what you did, but most importantly, we know that if we do reward you, in most cases, you're going to repeat that action. You're going to bring us more clients. Okay. So the last thing I'm going to leave you with is what's nice is we're not trying to grow this thing with 1 million agents or 10,000 agents or anything like that. We're literally just looking for a core handful of people, guys and gals that we can work with on a regular basis. Most of them are very, very part-time with us, at their own discretion, at their own leisure, when they see, when they run into a client. And that allows us to have a better interaction with you and give you more time, schedule these things. If you got issues, you got questions, you got anything you need, we can help you. In fact, because of our relationships with all of our vendors, it allows us to also connect you with the owners of these vending companies as well too, a lot of times. So you really know what you're talking about. You're going in there, and your business, you can feel proud of what you're offering to the businesses. In a lot of cases, our company, if they're bigger businesses and stuff, we do the presentation for you. You're hands off. But again, we're going to pay you because you were the one that brought that to us and so on. So all you got to do is click on that button, get set up with a launch call. Make sure you also fill out that questionnaire at the bottom of that page, if you don't mind. fill out the questionnaire, or as you're scheduling this call, it might even default to, it'll actually show you again that questionnaire. Make sure you fill that out, because Rick's going to get that information. That way he can have a bit more, an easier conversation right out of the gates with where you are, what you are. He might even have some suggested things already set up for you. So go ahead and click on that button, and thanks for jumping on board with us, and hopefully we'll be working together, and I can't wait to meet you. So thanks.